Hello friends, welcome to Pro Talent and I'm Nitin Parmar. My dear students, so many new students are joining with us. So many old students have a lot of concerns about their preparation. So many students who are not doing any kind of coaching, okay, they are doing self-study and they are interested to have proper guidance. Pro Talent brings to you this exclusive guidance session which will be held on Google Meet on every Saturday at 3 hours, that is at 3 p.m. My dear students, the timing may change but day will remain every time, that is on Saturday, keeping in mind that all of you have some busy schedule from Monday to Friday in your school. Saturday, Sunday may be manageable. You may possibly suggest me another time as well as we progress in the module. So we are not really bothered about the timing today. The first session is going to happen on 1st of January, 3 p.m. We are going to meet for the first time in the new year and we are going to enjoy this new year with us. Now the point is, the aim is, many of us have the questions like, sir, when I'm, you can say, reading newspaper, what to read? I have a lot of doubt. Or when I read it, okay, how do I connect with a lot of issues? You have a problem in terms of, sir, how do I improve my reading speed? Okay, I'm not able to crack, you can say, certain numbers. Possible. Sir, how do I work on my quant? Okay, I'm not putting efforts on quant, but I want to score more in the quant. How do I do it? Okay, there may be questions pertaining to application. That is, sir, which law colleges should apply? Okay, sir, is the law program is good for me or not? So any kind of questions you have, you can definitely bring it them. Okay, so what we are going to do is weekly 1 hour session on either Google Meet or a Zoom session. Okay, we will announce it, you can say, to you. Okay, it is only for the registered student, it is free, but only registered students will get a link for joining the program. Is that comfortable? Yes. Okay, you can raise any kind of doubts. Okay, so primarily the session number 1, which is on the week 1, the topic we are doing is ice breaking, which means we are just trying to understand the preparation issues, the kind of myths people have about the preparation. Okay, wherever you are, you have joined any coaching institute or not, whether you are doing self-study or not, okay, you should come and join the program, because the kind of collective questions you guys are going to raise and the kind of answers we are going to make out of the discussion, it is going to be very useful. In these sessions with me, there will be few NLU students who will be joining with me. Okay, so I'm going to, you can say, bring those people with you. They are going to guide you. Okay, I will be also there, and together we are going to discuss on some important problems, you can say, being faced by us with respect to the preparation, and thereby we remove all those, you can say, clutter from our mind, get a clarity and go for a right efforts. I believe these kind of sessions are going to be game changer for you. We are going to make these modules for the next 3 months every week. So there are total 12 sessions are going to be there. Okay, and they are going to be very useful to you. Okay, if for every session you have to register it. Okay, okay, so that's how the announcement is being made here. So don't miss out. I'm going to, you can say, put a link for the registration of the session number 1 with this video's description link. So don't miss out. Come and join for this wonderful exclusive session for CLAT prep guidance. Okay, so don't miss out on it. Thank you for watching this and spread this message to large number of people. So don't miss out. Come and join this program so that large number of people can benefit from the discussion which we are having. Okay, thank you and all the best.